This thing absolutely booked. It's cordless, huge plus there. It's fully automatic, boasts dual motors for propulsion and suction. Alright guys, let's be honest, owning an above ground pool is awesome. Spending hours wrestling with hoses, cords, and poles to clean it, not so awesome. Especially when you'd rather be cracking open a cold one in a clean pool, right? Well, today we might have a solution to cut down those chore times significantly. We're talking about the Spider Cordless Automatic Pool Cleaner Robot. Wow, that's a mouthful. This thing promises to take over your vacuuming duties. It's cordless, huge plus there. It's fully automatic, boasts dual motors for propulsion and suction, claims a 90-minute runtime, and is designed to cover pools about 860 square feet. Perfect for most standard above ground pool setups. Obviously not perfect for this setup, but you're not going to find a better testing ground than this for a robot. So you've been watching it run while we talked about some of the features. What do you say we go ask me right there at the pool and see how it went? Here we go. Keytron is on the table. You're like me, I've never heard of Keytron before. They reached out, said, would you do a review? I was like, sure, I'll do a review. And I've put it in, I've watched it go for a couple days. Couple things I wanted to say. There was something universally different about this than most of these jet-powered. The suction motor shoots water out the front and the back here, and that controls how it moves. This thing absolutely booked. It went faster than any other unit that I've seen like this. I don't know if that's a improvement or a problem or what. All I can tell you is for sure, I would look down there and be like, across the bottom of the pool. It was really pretty fun to watch. But I think the only way we know whether it's an improvement or a problem is if we open this thing up and see what we find in here. So now while I am opening it up, I will tell you, this is a pool that's in a cage here in Florida that is professionally cleaned, and I pretty much have a pool cleaner running in it every single day. So there will not be a ton of leaves and that kind of stuff in here, but there should be sand, some bugs, maybe some dog hair, all that stuff that you do not want in the pool and is harder to pick up than those basic leaves. So let's see what we got. Oh, there's way more sand than I expected to find in here. There is a ton of crap in here. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're even on the fence and you want one of these, the link's right there on the screen. Use that, get it. If this functionality isn't working, down in the description, you're gonna find a link which will help our channel out. We do appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it is a plus for us. It's kind of how we keep our business going. So I'm gonna say thank you in advance. At the same time, while you're down there, remember to like, subscribe, and put in a comment any questions you may have about this. But now that I've said that, let's go take it outside. I'll show you how to clean it, rinse it off, put it back together so it's ready to go again, and we'll look in detail. We'll see what kind of yucky stuff we have in this unit. Let's go do that. All right, here we are with the Keytron Super Sucker. Can't believe how much stuff this sucked up. So let me show you. Okay, ready? Look at all that on the back of that, and look at this here. Look at how much muck and leaves and garbage we've sucked up in here. That's pretty darn impressive. All right, let's clean it out. Let's start with the screen where you want to blow the debris back out the way it came. You don't want to jam it further into the screen, so you just spray that, right? Get that all clean. Give it a little rinse on the other side, like lateral rinse, okay? Now let's start cleaning this goop out. Oh, look at that. That is terrible. Okay, we'll rinse that all out. And I'm even gonna rinse the bottom, the brushes and the wheels, make sure everything's clean and rinsed off with fresh water after being in the chlorine all this time, right? Right, give it a nice good rinse. Then all you gotta do to put it back together, this stuff only goes one way. So you simply match it up. So you see it has these ridges. Only goes that way. Plop this on. This is also clocked. You see it has this flat area here, and that goes here. So all she wrote. All right, what do you say we go to the past, and you can check out the unboxing for this. All right, welcome to the past. It is moment one. I haven't opened it up yet. You've seen a whole lot more than I have, but let's see what it comes with. Obviously, you have instruction manuals, a couple of brushes. I don't know if they're extra brushes or not extra brushes. I believe this is a deck of cards. Is this a deck of cards? Let's open it up. This absolutely is. It's a set of Keytron deck of cards. That's kind of cute. We got a charger, pretty standard looking charger. A good old fashioned hook to pull it out when you need to pull it out. And dun, 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 one cool bot. Let's take it out. See what we got. The spider. Okay, so there are already brushes on here, 2 inlets. This is where you plug it in to charge it. Obviously, those are spares. Let's take a look and see what the interior looks like. There you go. Got the screen, which is going to trap all the debris in there. I can't wait to see how much it does actually do. And this, which is kind of clocked with the notch on it, so it only fits on one way. So super easy to reassemble. That's all there is to it. I know I've said this already, but I hope the video has been helpful. I'm going to go play with it, and I will see you in the next video.